Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a full review of the Keurig K Classic. This has been the Keurig of choice for my family for years and years. I remember my dad has had these for years, and these seem to be one of the most reliable models that are out there at the moment. So yes, this is an older Keurig, but they are very reliable and still very popular to this day. So popular that I decided to get one a few years ago, and I've been still using the same one since. So in this video, we're going to go over all the settings, all the capacities and brew sizes, and even do a sampled brew. So let me go ahead and grab the camera and show you a closer look. So here is a closer look at the Keurig K Classic. So over here we have all the settings. I'm going to go ahead and power it on, and it's going to start heating up while we talk. But we have a 6, 8, and 10 ounce brew option, and obviously 10 is going to be the max brew size. We also have an auto off button that you guys could choose to turn on or off. We have the heating indicator light, a descale light that turns on after so many brews, and an add water light. So the compartment for the K-Pod does kind of point towards you, so it just makes it easier to remove the K-Pods, and I do like that. Not all Keurigs do that. Very satisfying to shut. And then we have a 48 ounce water reservoir right here, and you guys can remove it for easy cleaning. On the bottom here, we have a drip tray, and if you guys remove it, you guys have a bigger space to put a thermos even, and you guys could fit a mug up to 7.1 inches tall right there. Now, I've always kept the drip tray on because I don't very often use a thermos. These things are very easy to clean or descale as well. There's no special descale button, but all you have to do is basically do a brew with the vinegar and then rinse it out a few times with water and just do a few water brews. Like I said, this thing has been very dependable and has always worked. So with that being said, let's go ahead and do a sample brew. And we're just gonna throw in an old K-Pod that we used a while back, just because it's very late at night. I'm not trying to drink coffee, and I also don't want to waste any of my coffee. All right, so now we're gonna do the smallest brew option, which is a 6 ounce, and we're gonna see just how fast this takes. Just a heads up, Keurig claims that this should be less than a minute long brew, and so far I've not really experienced any other than that. This thing is very quick, and it is a little louder than some of the newer ones, but it still gets the job done just fine, and it's honestly not too big for what it does. So as you guys can see, it's already about finished for our 6 ounce brew. So that's probably gonna be our strongest option, but it's gonna give us less coffee. And just like that, we have a cup of coffee right there. So that's just my really quick review of the Keurig K Classic.